Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Hello everyone. Today we will study how to create WhatsApp QR code for your posters. We can create a QR code for our brochures, for our billboards, that a user or clients can scan them and they can connect us through WhatsApp. So what are the steps we are going to follow? So let us see. First we have the link, the w.me. Here we add our phone number or with the country code. I have this phone number, then I have edited it. Then we are going to browse this website by using the QR code dash monkey link. Enter. Okay, here you have to paste the URL, which contains your phone number. This is the URL which contains our phone number with the country code. So paste here, paste it, then scroll down, add a logo image. We can add a logo in it that it will be displayed in the middle of the QR code. Create QR code. The QR code is going to be generated. Then we can download that as a PNG and use it in our brochure or our posters. The people can scan it and contact us through WhatsApp. Okay, the QR code is generated. Let us click on it. It will show the generated QR code and along with the WhatsApp logo. Like this is our poster, we have created the QR code for it. Okay, then people are able to scan it and contact us through WhatsApp. Thank you.